Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am once again continuing with my series of trying to use all of the palettes in my eyeshadow collection. I was saying before I buy another one, but I already broke that, so I can't say that anymore because I've been buying palettes. But anywho, I'm still going to use all the palettes that are in my collection. I am going to do that. So this is a continuation of that series. And today's palette is the Eyes palette by Prolux. And this is a palette that I purchased from shophush.com. And it was only $12 at the time that I purchased it. And it was a palette that I hadn't seen or hadn't paid attention to on the website before. It was just there. And I was like, that looks kind of nice. So like I said, this is from Prolux and it's just called Eyes. And it's actually a really, really pretty palette. Very, very pretty. There are 18 shades in this palette. And the one thing that I didn't really notice about this palette when I was purchasing it is that there are quite a bit of shimmers in this palette. There are only like maybe 3 matte shades in this palette, so that can be kind of tricky if you don't like to work with a lot of shimmers. But this palette is variation 01. That's the one that I purchased. It's 01. I believe they had 2 different variations. One of them I think was a little bit more smoky, and this one was a little bit more of the purple tone palette. So I really, really gravitated to this one. They do have a cruelty-free sign or symbol here on this side of the box. And this is what the actual palette looks like. It's really, really nice. I like it. It has kind of like a raised container. You know, you can actually feel the texture on the container. And it just says Eyes and Prolux here. And it's in a tin container. And it also has the ingredients and the cruelty-free information on the back as well. Now, this palette... it kind of reminds me of like the Too Faced chocolate bar palettes, the, you know, basic tin case. It has a mirror inside. Of course, it comes with the plastic covering over the shadows. And this is what the actual palette looks like inside. So as you can see, it's very, very beautiful. And of course, I've already been using it, so it's a little bit dinged up, but it's very, very nice. But as you can see there, it looks like what, 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 mattes in there, the white, the tan, and then there's a brown on the bottom. But the rest are beautiful shimmer shadows that kind of give off a bit of a foiled look on your eyes. So this is the palette that I am using to create this look today. So if you'd like to see how I created this look with this Prolux palette from shophush.com, stay tuned. It's coming up next.